Once upon a time, there was a small tortoise. He lived near a quiet lake. The tortoise was not fast. He moved very slowly, but he was happy. Every day he watched the birds in the sky. He looked at them with wonder.
How lucky they are. They can fly anywhere. They can see the world.
One day, two ducks came to the lake. They were kind and friendly. They liked the quiet place. Soon, they became friends with the tortoise. They talked every day. They shared stories. They laughed together. The tortoise was very happy. But one summer, something changed. The sun became very hot. The water in the lake began to dry. Day after day, the lake became smaller. The ducks were worried.
We cannot stay here. We must find a new lake.
The tortoise felt afraid.
If you leave, I will be alone. Please, take me with you.
The ducks looked at each other. How can we help him? They thought. Then one duck had an idea.
We have a plan. We will carry a stick between us. You can hold the stick with your mouth, we will fly, and you will come with us.
Yes! Yes! I can do that!
But the ducks said something important.
You must listen carefully. When we are in the sky, you must not speak. Not even one word. If you open your mouth, you will fall.
I understand. I will not speak.
The next morning, the plan began. The ducks held the stick tightly. The tortoise bit the middle of the stick. Slowly, they lifted into the sky. Up, higher, higher. The tortoise felt the wind on his face. He saw trees, rivers, and fields below. Everything looked beautiful. He felt proud.
Look! A flying tortoise! Amazing! Amazing!
The tortoise heard them. He felt very proud. I want to say something, he thought. I want to tell them how clever I am. He forgot the warning. He forgot the danger. He opened his mouth to speak. And suddenly, he fell. Down, 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 down. The tortoise hit the ground. He could not move. The ducks flew down quickly. They looked at their friend in silence. And the lesson was clear. Sometimes it is better to stay silent. Sometimes words can bring danger. And sometimes one moment of pride can lead to a big fall. Think before you speak. And when silence is wise, stay silent.